Alright, according to the sewer line here at 7015 20th Ave Northwest. We're going to try this one more time. Looking at the Seattle City main right there. Coming back into the personal line of the house here at 7015. There's a large root right at the seam at the tap to the main. We're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe right here. Coming back now. There's a seam every 2 feet or so. That's where you see these large roots coming in. It's a recurring problem with these roots. Big, thick, matted roots. So 6-inch diameter clay pipe. So we're coming back through here. 37 feet of old clay, 6-inch diameter. Should be coming into the 4-inch here shortly. Boom, right there. I believe that's our diameter shift change. Or right there, actually, excuse me. Right there is the diameter shift. So we're now in 4-inch clay pipe here. So 4-inch diameter clay all through here. Quite a bit of roots and all that through there. Then we come back into plastic. This is where the downspout's tied in right here. Black plastic ABS piping back into the white plastic PVC. And up out of the drain there. There's the clean out we're making this recording from and the video there.